Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi Mi 8. Start unpacking, global version, open box, and look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter USB Type-C to headphones jack, and key for SIM slot. Okay, and we have quick guide. Device in the black color. Look him later. And now look completion. Other completion: USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. That's all, without headphones, but with protected back cover and adapter USB Type-C to headphones jack. Okay, device made of glass and metal. On the front side and back side glass and metal. On the front side we have a display 6.2 inch, talk speaker, sensors and front camera. On the back side double camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the right side slot for 2 nano SIM card. On the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card. On the right side power key and volume keys. Upside without controls. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay, turn on device, open settings, version MIUI, MIUI Global 10.0, 10.0.2.0, RAM memory 6 GB, octa-core CPU, and Intel memory 64 GB. Okay. Close this. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. This is octa-core 4 plus 4 cores. First 4 cores work 1.7 GHz, second 4 cores work 2.8 GHz. GPU Adreno 630, resolution and display PPA. Okay, look, CPU test results, very good results, single core score ranking and multi-core score ranking. GPU test. Okay, close this and open next test, AnTuTu benchmark, AnTuTu score, ranking, perfect results, 4 places. Wait, ranking, let's multi-touch test, support 10 touches, very good, and wait, load ranking. Okay, ranking load, my device in the 4th place, Mi 8, okay, close this. And open the modded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. Settings, medium graphic level, turn on max. Okay, and start game. Skip. Game load on the max graphic level. Game works perfect. Oh. Error. Run GTA San Andreas again. Works very good, without problems, very smoothly. Okay, GTA San Andreas works perfect. Close this game and open camera. Main camera 12 plus 12 megapixels, front camera 20 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.